Hello, my name is Cédric Brun. I'm the CTO of Obeo, which is a French company specialized in model-driven engineering tools and technologies. We're quite involved in Eclipse as a strategic member and in lots of Eclipse modeling projects. So that's why we're here today. We have several Eclipse modeling projects, one of them being Acceleo, which is a technology allowing users to generate any kind of code from any kind of model so that they can have a more efficient software development practice. We also have the MF Compare project, which brings the ability to use models with CVS, SVN, or Git, or any kind of source control management system, so that people can collaborate and work as a team on top of models. We're also working on the ATL project, which brings model-to-model transformation, so that you can have a model in a specific format and transform it to another specific format, which is useful most of the time for at least interrupt reasons. And we're also involved in Eclipse modeling projects, working with the other projects to integrate all the components into a solid package, which is built by the amalgamation project, and integrating everything, testing, fixing bugs, documenting, and so on. We did start a new project lately, which is outside of the Eclipse modeling scope, which we're presenting today too, but which is related to documentation and more linked to application lifecycle management, helping developers to keep their doc in synchronization with the real system all the time. So we have quite a lot of exciting projects into Eclipse, and these kind of events are always some kind of booster, so that we're even more happier to bring new features and fixes to our users. The Polarsys initiative is a working group forming with different companies, industrial companies, bonding together so that we set up what needs to be set up to be able to maintain the components of Eclipse for long-term vision. And that's especially important for the Eclipse modeling project, because most of these industrial companies are consumer of the Eclipse modeling technologies, which are often at the core of their own tooling. And the Eclipse modeling core technologies are very solid, very mature, but so many people are using it, but there's not so much investment done in it to fix bugs. Lots of people are expecting things to just happen magically. And so they started to realize that now we probably need to do something and organize something to fund this kind of development and to make sure it fits the needs of the industrial partners. The Polarsys working group has been created a few months ago. It's been pretty broadly announced during EclipseCon this year in Washington. We think the first initiatives linked to this working group, like being able to have a build system which works for a long time, which is common for all the Eclipse projects, so that we at least able to maybe fix a bug, even if we're not a project committer, and build it and distribute it in I don't know, in your own company. So it already started, and we are already seeing some results on the foundation level, trying to make all the projects using the common build infrastructure, which is setting up right now.